Welcome to the class, students. Today in this class, let us solve some problems on Poisson distribution. In examination, you will get this type of problem for 5 marks, and this is very important concept for your exam point of view. So this is the problem. On an average, a telephone operator receives 3 phone calls, 3 telephone calls per 5 minutes, interval. Find the probability that in a particular 5 minutes interval, he or she, past question, does not receive any call. And second question is receives more than 3 calls. Okay. So this is the problem. On an average, a telephone operator receives 3 telephone calls per 5 minutes interval. For every 5 minutes, they will receive 3 calls. Find the probability that in a particular 5 minutes interval, whether it does not receive any calls. Means here P is equal to 0. Probability of receiving the call, that is P of x equals 0. Receives more than 3 calls. More than 3 means x should be greater than 3 calls. That probability we have to find. Here on an average, a telephone operator is 3 telephone calls. Therefore, here in the solution, they are receiving 3 telephone calls. Therefore, lambda is equal to 3. On an average, in Poisson distribution, average is nothing but our lambda value. So, on an average, they receives the 3 telephone calls. So, lambda is 3. And now we have to write the PMF of Poisson distribution, that is P of x equals e power minus lambda power x divided by x factorial. So, x can take the values 1, 2, etc. infinity. So, here we know that the Poisson distribution, the range of a Poisson distribution is 0 to infinity. Next, let us solve this problem. First one, probability of does not receive any calls, that is P of x equals 0. There is no calls at all. So, P of x equals 0. So, e power minus lambda is 3 power 0 by 0 factorial. So, P of x equals 0 is equal to anything to the power 0 is 1 and 0 factorial is always 1. So, this is 0.0497. This is probability of x equals 0. Next is second problem, receives more than 3 calls, that is probability of x greater than 3. More than 3, here we will not include the equality, it is always greater than 3 only, strictly speaking. So, I will take the complement of this, because greater than 3 I don't know, because the range of the Poisson distribution will goes to infinity. So, I will go for the complement. It is 1 minus P of x. It is greater than 3, less than 3. Here equality is not there. So, equality should come here. So, it is greater than 3. In the complement, it is less than or equal to 3. And this is 1 minus P of x less than 3 means less than and equal to 3. Less than 3 means 0, 1 plus 2 plus 3. Because here equal to 3 is also there. Less than 3 means 0, 1, 2 and equal to 3, it is 3. So, this is 1 minus e power minus 3 to the power 0 by 0 factorial plus e power minus 3 power 1 by 1 factorial plus e power minus 3, 3 square divided by 2 factorial plus e power minus 3, 3 cube divided by 3 factorial, and this is 1 minus 0.0497 plus 0.1493 plus 0.000224 plus 0.2240, and this is 1 minus 0.647. This is probability of x greater than 3 is 0.3528. 3528. Okay, this is how we have calculated for greater than 3. So we have to calculate the probabilities for all these things. Then I added that. At last I subtracted by 1 so that I got the answer. Next problem. On an average, the number of defective items in a box is 4. If there are 100 such boxes, in how many of them would you expect, first question, one defective item, and second one is at least 2 defective items, So this is the problem. On an average, number of defective item is 4. So in the solution, first we have to write lambda is equal to 4, and there are 100 such boxes. So 100 such boxes means capital N is equal to 100. Now we have to find the probability of one defective item, at least 2 defective items. Before that, I will write the PMF. P of x equals e power minus lambda power x by x factorial. X can take the value 0, 1, 2, etc. infinity. First it is one defective item, that is probability of x equals 1, this is first one, e power minus 4 to the power 1 by 1 factorial, and P of x equals 1 is 0.0732. But here we want how many of them would you expect, how many they are asking. So you should multiply this probability, P of x equals 1 should be multiplied by capital N, that is 0.0732 into 100 is equal to 7.32. So they are expecting 7.32 boxes. So how many of them would you expect one defective item? So 7.32 boxes we can expect one defective items. And second problem is at least 2 defective, that is probability of x greater than or equal to 2. So for this again I am taking the complement. It is 1 minus P of x less than 2. Already equality is there. In complement no need to take the equality. It is x less than 2. So this is 1 minus x less than 2 is 0 and 1. So here 2 will not included, only 0 and 1. So it is 1 minus e power minus 4 to the power 0 by 0 factorial, that e power minus 4 power 1 by 1 factorial. So this is 1 minus 0.0915. After this P of x greater than or equal to 2 or at least 2 is 0.9084. This is the probability, but we have to find how many. So I multiply this. P P of x greater than or equal to 2 should be multiplied by capital N. So it is 0.9084 into 100. This is 90.84. So this is 90.84. If they ask for numbers, how many numbers, so in that time you should multiply by capital N value, that is capital N, that population. Capital N value should be multiplied with the probability so that you will get the number of boxes. If you will not multiply that, then you will lose 1 marks for that. Next problem. On an average, a box contains 2 defective items. Find the probability that a randomly selected box as first question, no defective items. Second one, at least 2 defective items. So again in the solution, it is on an average 2 defectives are there. So in solution lambda is equal to 2, and here find the probability. Only probability we have to find. Here they have not mentioned the population value, that is n value. So no need to take that. So directly you write down the PMF. P of x equals e power minus lambda power x by x factorial. X can take the values 1, 2, etc. infinity. And our first problem is, first one is probability of x, no defective, that is x equals 0, is e power minus 2 to the power 0 by 0 factorial. So probability of x equals 0 is equal to 0.1353. 0.1353. You know how to calculate e power minus 2 using your scientific calculator. So and second one is at least 2 defective, that is probability of x greater than or equal to 2. Again here also I am taking the complement so that it is x less than 2. This is 1 minus P0 plus P1. This is 1 minus e power minus 2 power 0 by 0 factorial plus e power minus 2 power 1 by 1 factorial. This is 1 minus, after simplification, this is 0.5939. After subtracted by 1, it is the final value, the final probability is 5939, 0.5939. In examination, if they ask this much, only you have to find the probabilities. Otherwise, if they have given the n value, capital N value, you should multiply and show that in the numbers. Next one. It has been formed that on an average 4 patients visit during 1 hour. What is the probability that during a particular our first question. Doctor is free. Free. And second one is more than 3 patients visit the doctor. More than 3 patients visit the doctor. So more than 3 patients visit the doctor is one question, and another one is doctor is free. That we have to see. So it has been found that on an average 4 patients. So our lambda value in the solution, lambda is equal to 4, and during one particular hour they are visiting 4 patients. They are seeing the 4 patients. First I will write the PMF. P of x equals e power minus lambda, lambda power x by x factorial. X can take the value 0, 1, 2, etc. infinity. Here in the first problem, doctor is free. If the doctor is free means there is no patients during that particular time. So P of x equals 0. Doctor is free means there is no patients. So P of x equals 0. It is e power 4. 4 power 0 by 0 factorial, and this doctor is free. X equals 0 is 0.0183. This is the probability. And second one is more than 3 patients visit the doctor. That is probability of x greater than 3 again. Here greater than 3 means in the range of the distribution will goes to infinity. So we should go for the complement. It is 1 minus p of x less than or equal to 3. This is 1 minus p0 plus p1 plus p2 plus p3 also. Because here it is greater than 3. Here I have taken equal to 3 also. So I am including 3 here. It is 1 minus e power minus 4. 4 power 0 by 0 factorial plus e power minus 4, 4 power 1 by 1 factorial, e power minus 4, 4 square by 2 factorial, e power minus 4, 4 cube divided by 3 factorial. So this is 1 minus the probabilities. After this 1 minus of this probabilities we have to calculate. This is at last simplification it is 0.5665. This is probability of x greater than 3. After simplification, you can calculate this using your scientific calculator easily, so that you got the answer. This is 0.5665. Next problem.